Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Automation Digest. I'm back with another DSA problem. This time I have come with an easy problem, something related to string. The problem is sorting the sentence. It can be treated as a starter for working with strings. The question says that we are given a sentence in a shuffled order, but every word in the sentence is followed by an index. This index is the place where the word should lie. For example, in this is a sentence comes in fourth index, A in third, is in second, and this in first. Now we are given two examples. One is 2, sentence 4, this one A3, which means the sentence formed would be this is a sentence. The second example says myself 2, me 1, I 4 and 3. So the sentence becomes me, myself and I. The constraints are the length of the string is between 2 to 200. S can contain both lowercase and uppercase English letters, spaces and digits from 1 to 9. The number of words in S is between 1 to 9. The words in S are separated by a single space. There is no leading and trailing spaces. On the right hand side, we are given a string which would be the input, and the output also has to be a string which would be the correct sentence form. Alright, so how do we do it? Now for string, whenever we come across any such problem, let's remember that we can split the string based on a delimiter. A delimiter is a symbol used to separate two different words. In this sentence, any two words are separated by space. So we can make use of this space to separate the whole string into array of strings. Once we have separated that, we can search for the number and place it in the corresponding location. Now in the constraint, it was told that the number is between 1 to 9. So we can understand from this that the digit cannot be more than one character. That can be used in our advantage. Alright, let's straight away jump into coding. So first, as I was saying, we can use split to split the whole string into different words or array of strings. Let's take another array to store the actual result. Now we have to traverse through each word and check for the number. Whatever the number is, that will behave as index where that word has to be placed. We can see clearly that the digit is the last character of the string. So what we can do is we can extract the last character, and that would be my index. Let me for now take a temporary variable where I am going to store the index. Now this will give me the character. I have to convert this into integer. I can directly subtract 0 as a character from this to give me the integer value of it. Now because in Java, my index starts from 0 and the index present in the string starts from 1. We have to subtract 1 so that the index now starts from 0. Once I have done this, I just want to store the string in my result. But remember, the last digit has to be subtracted because we don't want it in the actual string. That's it. Now we just want to return. But for returning, we want to return the string. The result that we have got is a string array. So there is an inbuilt method of string called join, which can make an array of string a single sentence or a single string. So outside the for loop, and I can add a space in between every word. Also, to remove the space at the beginning, we can just add trim. If I run this code, both my test case pass, and if I submit it, the solution beats 100% of the users with 0 millisecond time for executing it, and beats 92% of the user in memory with an usage of 40.38 MB, one of the most optimal solutions. Alright, that's it for today. Stay tuned. Happy coding.